Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the residential project that is VTP Volare, which is located in Hinjewadi, Pune, a project by VTP Realty. In this video, we will be discussing about project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, parking, master plan and carpet area analysis, floor plan, unit plan, position, current construction update, and the pros and cons of the project. But before starting, let's just discuss that what is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, बट हम हाउसी में आपको डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं बिल्डर्स के साथ, क्योंकि हाउसी में लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं। तो फिर यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए and book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So let's start with the project overview. This project will be constructed on total 3.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers with ground plus 4 level of podium having 30 floors with 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK simplex and 4 BHK duplex premium residencies. So now let's discuss the location and connectivity of this project. This project is located near Hinjewadi IT Park in Hinjewadi, Pune and as per the connectivity, Infosys Circle is 1.1 km from this project. DMAT is just 2.6 kilometers from the project. Now let's discuss the amenities of the project. First one is the internal amenities. So VTP Realty is providing you with vitrified flooring, granite kitchen, firefighting system, digital lock, 3-tier security, DG locker and many more. And now let's discuss the external amenities. So VTP Realty is providing you with 35 plus luxurious amenities जिसमें आपको मिलेगा swimming pool, club house, multi-purpose court, sitting area, garden area and many more. Now let's discuss the parking part. यहाँ पे आपको इस project में podium level की car parking मिलने वाली है.
Now let's do the master plan and carpet area analysis. This is the master plan of VTP Volare. And you can see in this image, there are 3 towers placed in center of the land parcel and amenities are spread around the towers. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plans. This is the typical floor plan of Tower 1 consisting of 8 flats, 4 lifts, 2 staircases, 6 flats of 2 BHK and 2 flats of 3 BHK. This is the typical floor plan of Tower 2 consisting of total 10 flats, 4 lifts, 2 staircases, and all the 10 flats are of 2 BHK. This is the typical floor plan of Tower 3, consisting of 8 flats, 4 lifts, 2 staircases, 4 flats of 2 BHK and 4 flats of 3 BHK. Let's now have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 681 square feet and 782 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 870 square feet and 968 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK simplex, 1240 square feet to 1732 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK duplex, 1610 square feet and 1936 square feet usable carpet area.
So now let's discuss the position of this project. So as per RERA and the target position of the project is December 2027. And now let me tell you about the construction update. So the excavation of this project will start very soon. Now the most interesting part, that is the pros and cons of the project. Let us discuss the pros first. The project is being constructed by VTP Realty, so you need to worry about the construction quality. It will be excellent. And the project has all the ultra luxurious amenities. So if amenities is your preference, then this project suits you perfectly. Towers are placed in such a way that no apartments are facing towards each other, giving you all the lifetime open view. Let's now discuss the cons part. More density. Project is little bit of more congested because there are 10 flats on each floor with only 4 lifts. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project VTP Volare located in Hinjewadi, Pune by VTP Realty.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.